This video is on subtracting mixed numbers. So we're going to look at subtracting mixed numbers. And mixed numbers, once again, is a whole number and a proper fraction. So looking here at 3 4/5 minus 1 2/5, we can see that the denominator is the same. So we can go ahead and subtract the numerators. So we have 4 minus 2, and that will give us 2 over 5. We keep our denominator the same. Then we look at the whole number, and we're subtracting 3 minus 1, and that gives us 2. So our answer would be 2 2/5. So here we have 6 3/5 minus 2 4/10. And I notice that my denominators are not the same. But I know if I multiply 5 times 2, I would get 10. And whatever I do in the denominator, I have to do in the numerator. So I can rewrite 3/5 as 6 over 10. And then I'm also going to bring over my whole number. And I will move over my other mixed fraction to subtract. So now I have my denominators are the same, 10, and I can subtract my numerators. And I would get 2, 6 minus 4 equals 2 over 10. And then my whole number, 6 minus 2, would give me 4. Now, I would also simplify this because I know that I can divide both my numerator and denominator by 2, and I would get 1/5. So my answer would be 4 1/5. Lastly, I want to look at this mixed number subtraction problem that will require me to borrow or regroup. So I can tell my denominators are the same, but my numerator on top is a 3, and I'm trying to subtract 4 out of it. So I don't have enough. So what I'm going to have to do is rewrite my top number there. So I'm going to borrow from the 9. So I'm going to write 9 over here. And I'm going to borrow from it and make it an 8 and 5 over 5. Okay? Because I'm using 5 over 5 because my denominator over here is a 5. And so I can add 5 over 5, and this is equivalent to 9. This here, right here, is equivalent to 9. So I have my 8 plus 5 over 5, which is equivalent to 9. I also need to add my 3/5, which is the other part of my number. So if I do that, I would have 8 and 8/5. Okay? So then if I bring over what I'm subtracting, 7 and 4/5, I now can subtract my numerators because I have the same denominator and I have enough to subtract. So I'm going to move the answer over here. So 8 minus 4 would give me 4 over 5, and then 8 minus 7 would give me 1. So I would get 1 4/5 as my answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.